In this video, we will understand food chain and food web. Food chain is a series of organisms in which one organism eats another organism as food. It represents the transfer of energy and nutrients through different trophic levels within an ecosystem. In a food chain, various steps where transfer of energy takes place is called a trophic level. Food chain refers to an arrangement of different biotic groups in a sequence of energy transfer. These biotic groups are producer, herbivores, carnivores. For example, T1, grass, T2, deer, T3, lion. Examples of food chains: simple food chain operating in a grassland or forest. Grass, producer, deer, herbivore, lion, carnivore. In this food chain, grass represents the producer's first trophic level. Grass synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Grass is eaten up by deer, which represents the herbivores, or the primary consumers. Deer in turn is consumed by lion, the carnivores, or the secondary consumers. A food chain in grassland, which has 4 steps, is grass, producers, insect, herbivores, frog, carnivores, eagle, secondary carnivore. Trophic levels. The various steps in the food chain at which the transfer of food or energy takes place is called trophic levels. There is a gradual decrease in the amount of energy transfer from one trophic level to the next trophic level in a food chain. So only 10% of energy is transferred to next trophic level, while 90% of energy is used by present trophic level in its life processes. The various trophic levels are given below. A. The plant or the producers constitute the first trophic level. B. The herbivores or primary consumers form the second trophic level. C. Carnivores or secondary consumers make up the third trophic level. D. Large carnivores or the tertiary consumers, which feed upon the small carnivores, constitute the fourth trophic level. Significance of food chains. A. The study of food chains helps in understanding food relationships and interactions among the various organisms in an ecosystem. B. The food chains transfer energy and materials between various living components in an ecosystem or biosphere. C. The food chains give dynamicity to an ecosystem or biosphere. D. The movement of toxic substances like pesticides, weedicides, etc. through food chains can prove very harmful. Food web. A food web is a more complex and interconnected representation of feeding relationships within an ecosystem compared to a simple food chain. It illustrates the transfer of energy and nutrients through multiple pathways involving various organisms at different trophic levels. In a food web, one organism may occupy a position in more than one food chain. An organism can obtain its food from different sources and in turn may be eaten up by different types of organisms. Energy flows through a food web from lower to higher trophic levels, with each transfer resulting in some energy loss as heat. Characteristic of food web. Food webs are never straight as they are formed by interlinking of food chains. B. Food web provides alternative pathways of food availability. If a particular species is destroyed, the predator can feed on an alternative species. C. Food webs increase ecosystem stability. Human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation of resources, and climate change can disrupt food webs and lead to cascading effects on ecosystem, health, and biodiversity. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.